Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Divoom speakers. It is the Tivoo Smart Bluetooth and Pixel Art speaker. We have a special guest. She is here again, back again with us. Beanie, my cat. Say hi, Beanie. So it feels heavy. Super excited. Look how glossy this box is. Oh, I'm getting so excited, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this out. It's like a little covering that talks about the specs. Alright, so it looks like it has tape, a little bit of tape on the sides. Got the tape out of the way. Ah, I'm so excited! Now I figure out which one's the front and the back. So we're just gonna go for it. Alright, so the lid just lifts up and I see a little black branded, it looks like a notebook, guidebook maybe? Oh, this is cute. So I'm opening it up. I see some stickers, so I got some stickers here, looks like. Cute. I think because these designs are pixelated, I should probably be able to also have it appear on the speakers as well. And there's some art as well, cute little, oh, they're postcards. Yep, and this looks like the instruction booklet. It's pretty thick. Moment of truth, drum roll. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm giving you guys first look as well. Look how shiny it is. Oh my god, it's so cute and dainty. Okay, I'm gonna try nicely. And this is what it looks like. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I love how cute it is. Look how cute. So I see in the back here, it pops out. There's the power button, and then place where you can connect for your aux and USB. Very cool, very cool. And it has little stands here. Little stands for it to stand on. How cute. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like at the very bottom. This is the charger, I think. Has the USB cord, and then also the aux cords. First impression so far, I am in love with the packaging of this. It's pretty simple, so it looks like it comes with the speaker itself, the cords, and then kind of some freebies. You have some cute art, postcards, and then some of these stickers. I think the way it's packaged is really cute, really neat, that you can tuck it away or even repurpose the box for something else. I have my own little adapter, so I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see. The only thing is I'm noticing that cord is really short, which is slightly disappointing. I'm plugging it back. I finally have one that should work. Attempt number 3, third time's a charm. Here we go. Yay! All right, do you guys see it? Just blinked, right? First I'll need to hold to turn it on and off. Cute. So I'm wondering if I just turned it on or off at this point. All right, I think I just turned it on. The display looks pretty nice so far. So I see the clock and the time here. Now is the fun part. I am going to download the app. I found the Divoom app on the Play Store. I'm gonna go ahead and download that. All right, I'm gonna open. Awesome, and I think it works now. Cute. Now let's test it out. Initially, just listening to just some songs, 1 or 2 songs, I am super impressed by the quality of the sound. It sounds so nice. Both normal pop songs, but also classical music or instrumentals. I think it sounds really nice. So it says that battery life should last 6 hours. So I will put that to the test as well and we'll see. I'm really loving the colors in the display, the designs, the images. It's just so fun. So there is an option to also design your own custom graphics as well, and it's one of the settings on here. So on the app, it looks like there are a few things that you can do. You can design your own graphics to have on your speaker, add animations, play mini games. Pixel color, I'm not sure what that is yet, but I'm gonna guess has something to do with maybe changing the colors of pre-existing designs, is my guess for now. Planner, kind of use as a little mini reminder or memo. Alarm, showing the time or setting that alarm clock. Mixer, so you can mix your own tunes or beats. And then more is, I wonder what that is, so let's click into that. More, so oh, okay. So if I scroll down, I see I can also leave a voice message on here. Set celebrations, do a countdown. Set app notifications, chat, noise board. Okay, so a lot of things. Let's try adding a design first. All right. Maybe let's try one of the existing palettes. Does it show? No. How do I show this on here? I don't have my thing. I'm a little bit confused and it's not really giving me directions. Oh, so maybe I have to add device. All right. Oh, cute! You actually do see my little design. Okay, so it works. I'm very glad. Look how cute! Let me play my audio from my phone versus the speaker as a comparison for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to turn the volume down to 50 so there's not as much static and noise and maybe the sound is a little bit different. Now let's test it out on the speaker. Let's test it at 50%. We stayed up all night, talking to each other, whispering. Let's test it at full max volume. Easy to say, I know the feeling. I told you all about pretty easy to tell and pretty clear that the sound is a lot better than my phone. I wouldn't say that it's better than, say, your I guess if you're watching a movie in the theaters and that audio or anything like that, but I think it's a really nice audio and perfect for jamming out to your favorite songs or singing along. It says that option 1 is the clock, and I can tap the first button to switch to different themes, different layouts for the time. Super cool, super cute. Channel 2 is the nightlight, and I also can change different colors for that one. Channel 3 shows the Pixel Monthly, which are top rated designs. Channel 4 is all about the light effects. There are 16 different and unique available light effects. Very cool. Channel 5 is the music equalizer. Let's try that. And then channel 6 is the custom screensaver or custom design. Is it useful? For what it advertises itself as a pixel art smart Bluetooth speaker, it definitely works pretty well. I did experience a little bit of a hiccup when connecting to the Bluetooth. It took a little bit longer, but I wouldn't say it took longer than a minute or two. That's fine. I would give that out of 5 about a 4. It does what it sets out to do, and it is a lot of fun doing your own little design. I just wish that maybe they had noted how to do that either in the manuals, as it seems to be a major selling point for users who are unfamiliar to it. It might be a little bit of a frustrating point there. As for part 2, the packaging and how it kind of comes together and the first appearance and first impressions visually, I think it is lovely. It is super cute. I mentioned earlier how much I love the compact box and how everything fits in one box. I like that this isn't just your standard paper container, but it's more of a hardier plastic one. I really love the extra freebies. The little postcards are super cute. Packaging, I think that I would give them honestly I want to say a 4 as well, because there's definitely room to improve, but I'm also super satisfied with what they have and how they packaged everything already. Is it worth it? So depending on where you get this from, I'm seeing prices ranging between about 60 to 70s to kind of 72, 73, depending on the color of the speaker that you're getting, but also whether you're buying from Amazon or directly from the Divoom site. The biggest selling point for me, besides the pixel art and the cute visual effects, is the sound quality. It's worth it. It is definitely pricey. I think it is definitely in between like those kind of cheaper speakers that you can get kind of quickly at a convenience store versus those really high-end speakers. I think this one's a nice, comfortable in between, and the sound quality is really nice as well. So I think in terms of pricing, it is slightly expensive, but still reasonable. I think that concludes the review. I hope you enjoyed this week's content. It is a little bit different. I love tech gadgets, especially ones that are cute and a little bit artsy and creative like these. So I really enjoyed this review with you guys and this unboxing. If you have any ideas for content for me, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much again for watching this week's video. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys next week.